Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build this greenhouse in Heartopia for your flowers. So, you're just going to get some walls. These are just the normal walls. It's 5 by 6, and add some floorings here as well. I'm just going to place one here just in case I need it. Then we are going to use these hollow stairs, and we're going to put 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. And I'm just going to do that for the rest of the area here, and I'll be right back. Okay, and then I'm just going to grab a low wall, and I'm just going to kind of use it like this, but I will just delete the ones I don't need. So it looks something like that. And you're going to also do it on the other side, like so. And I'm just going to remove everything here. So I think it's 1, 3, and 5. Then we're going to place the flooring here as well. And then we're going to grab this roof here. I think we have to make it a little bit smaller like this. And then we're going to extend it very far. I am going to change the color as well to this. And I'm going to just paint it this color all around. Okay, that's that color. And then this one. And let's do pink instead. I think that'd be pretty. Press confirm like that. Oh, okay. I thought I extended it a little bit too far. And hopefully you guys have it, but we have to use the modular adjustable window. So we can make it like this. And I'm also going to color it the same. Like this. And then like that. I'm really bad at giving instructions. I'm so sorry. Whoops. And then on the other side like that as well. And we have one more over here. Actually, we still need to do this area, but just the like edges of it because we're going to put something here in the middle. You'll see in a minute. We are going to use this. If you don't have it, you can just use all the windows. I want to use this though, and we're going to use it on this side. And I'm going to color it similarly to the rest of the area here. Like that. Okay, confirm. And I'm also going to place it on this area. Next, we are going to add some flowers. So I'm just going to turn this mode off so I can see the floor. And then we are going to use some flowers. We're going to put 4 on each corner, have some roses here. I want pink flowers, so oops, not that. Use the daisies as well. I don't have a lot of pink flowers. I don't know why. I have these. These haven't bloomed yet though. That's fine. We'll just place them here for now. And then one more. Oh, I really want something pink, but I don't have any more pink. Should I do white and then I'll do the other? So it's pink and white. Yeah, let's do that. Let me remove these. See if I have any white flowers. Okay, I guess I'll do roses again. It's fine. Whoops. And now I'm just going to decorate the outside and the pathways with this, with the wildflower bush, and I'll be right back because it takes time to place them one by one. I also put the pond here in the middle, but this is what it looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.